everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make plantain and bell pepper jollof rice. I know this sounds so strange, but guys, this rice is delicious. Okay, try it. So these are the ingredients. Please check the description for the complete recipe. Okay, yeah. As you can see, I have tomato paste, plantain, fresh blended tomatoes, onion, and the rest. So the first thing you're going to do is to parboil your rice. Okay, so while the rice is parboiling, let's make our sauce. On the pan over the heat, I'm going to add my oil. Allow the oil to heat up, then I'll add the onion. So while the onion is cooking, you can saute the onion with thyme and rosemary. Depends on how you prepare your sauce. So this is just a normal tomato sauce for rice. So I'm going to saute the onion after adding thyme, curry, and rosemary into the onion. Saute the onion for a couple of minutes, then we'll proceed. So here I'm adding my tomato paste, about 2 tablespoons of tomato paste inside the onion. I'm going to cook that for about 8 minutes before adding the fresh tomatoes. So while they are cooking, I'm going to add nut cube inside. You can use any cube of your choice. Okay, so this is vegetable broth. Like this recipe is just only vegetables, no meat inside. Okay, so I added that vegetable broth inside. So now I'm going to add salt. As you can see, the tomato paste is well cooked because the oil are out and the color change. So I'm going to add my blended fresh tomatoes with onion, ginger, and garlic into this pan. Stir everything together, and after stirring them, I'm going to allow them to cook until the tomatoes reduce or until you start seeing the oil come out. And make sure you don't abandon your tomatoes over the heat. Stir them continuously. Okay, so here we are. As you can see, the tomatoes have reduced. So I'm adding the parboiled rice into it. This is how I love to cook my jollof rice. So I added the rice first to stir everything together, because this helps to control the water I add into the rice. As you can see now, I added a little bit of water inside the rice. I'm going to add a little bit of salt. You can add more seasoning if you want. Okay, so I'm going to put the lid on and put the heat on the lowest to start cooking. So that is my plantain. I've already sliced them, just little cube. You need to slice them in a tiny cube. Okay, so I'm going to start frying them if my vegetable oil heats up. So I'm done frying all the plantain, and now to the rice. As you can see, the rice, the water is almost dry. Okay, make sure the rice is almost cooked. If the water you added at the first time is not enough, add another one. Okay, the rice is almost dry here. I add the fried plantain inside the rice, and now I'm going to add all my bell pepper mix with red onion. I'm going to stir everything. Make sure you mix everything very well. Okay, then I will put the lid on again and allow them to stay for another 10 minutes over lowest heat, like the lowest heat you have. Okay, so here is after 10 minutes, guys. I wanted my bell pepper to be crunchy, so it can cook them more if you want the bell pepper to be soft. But guys, the taste of this rice, like, it's amazing. You need to give it a try. These are all, it's, can I call it vegan rice, because they are all vegetables. Okay, so yeah, that is all for this video, guys. I hope you will give it a try, just to have a taste of different jollof rice. Give it a try and let me know what you think about it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.